This step we want to learn how we can install the photon network for networking and sharing the list of the bytes from the device A to device B. At first we have to go to the in here Unity and try to search PON2. When you do that, you will see the PON2 free. It is a free component and plugin, and you can install it. It's only 21 megabyte, but your Unity version must be 2018.4.22 or higher. After you add to my store, click on add to my store. You need to come here, window, and package manager, and in here the packages must be my assets. As you can see, it's available for you, PON2 free in here, and you need to download and import. Make sure it will be the last version of you downloaded. After that, after you install the PON2 free, you need to come here in Asset Store and try to download the Photon Voice 2. Photon Voice 2. This one. You need to click on add to my assets as well. It is 90 megabyte and everything is the same. After you do that, you need to come here again in package manager, and you can see the Photon Voice 2 in here. Download and import it. When you finish all of these tasks, you need to come to player settings, and here, okay, and please copy the package manager of your project. For example, for me it is AR/VR Chromakey. Okay, now you need to go to the website of Photon Engine and try to register an account. It is free and very easy. After you log in to your account, you need to come here to dashboard, and once you are in dashboard, you can see it has your Photon Cloud apps. In here you have a button and create a new app. Click on it, and at first you need to click on Photon PON and copy and paste the name of your project in here. When you do that, click on create. After you're doing that, you need to come to dashboards, and in here AR/VR Chromakey. As you can see, it has app ID. Copy these numbers and come to Unity and come here, window, Photon Engine network, Photon Unity networking, and highlight server settings. In here you can see all the configuration of Photon server settings, and in here server settings. It has three parts: app ID PON, app ID chat, app ID voice. Copy and paste the numbers of app ID in here. This one, this number for PON, copy and paste to the app ID PON and app ID chat. For the app ID voice, you need to come here to the dashboards of your Photon Engine and create a new app again, and in the Photon type you need to click on Photon Voice, then copy the name of your project and create an app. Once you do that, you will see a new application in here. It's called AR/VR Chromakey, but voice. It's a yellow one, and you need to copy the app ID in here. Okay, and in here paste to your app ID voice. Also, you need to do something else about the fixed rejoin and dev rejoin. For me, it is US because it's trying to set the server of Photon Network in United States. But you can select another region codes in here, and it depends on your location. After you do that, your Photon network is ready to use. Okay, we are done. Let's go to the next step and install another SDK which it is necessary for us.